This very sad case started with a family barbecue over an open fire on a winter's evening in South Australia. When the meal was eaten and the fire died down, everyone went inside except for John and Tanya, who were both 10. They decided to try to rekindle the fire. There was a lawnmower in the yard with a can of petrol. They put petrol into a cup and John threw the petrol onto the dying embers. It exploded and poor Tanya was badly burned. 3 years later, her father made an application for her to be compensated under South Australia's criminal compensation legislation. To obtain this compensation, she had to show that she was the victim of criminal offending. The relevant criminal offending was a summary offence which involved throwing a stone or other missile without reasonable cause and so as to injure, annoy or frighten any person. The question for the court was whether liquid petrol was capable of being a missile for the purpose of this section. The word was not defined in the legislation, and neither counsel nor the judge could find a definition for the word in any previous case. There is nothing in the wording of the section, in the context in which the word missile appears, which indicates that it has a meaning other than its ordinary English meaning. I do not think the dictionary definitions exclude a liquid from being a missile. It is capable of being thrown from a container and from the hand. It is to be expected that, like a dangerous substance such as an acid or explosive powder, it is likely to be thrown in or from a container. The law recognises that such substances may be thrown, even though by the use of some container or device. Objects may be thrown from the hand, from a container held in the hand, or within a container. If an object is capable of being thrown, it comes within the ordinary English meaning of missile. Petrol is capable of being thrown in any of those three ways, and there is no reason not to regard it as a missile. These days, the court would probably also look to the purpose of the legislation in defining the word. In any case, the petrol was found to be a missile for the purposes of the offence, and so little Tanya received compensation for her injuries.